In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add note on Google Calendar. We're going to use the simplest, most reliable method, adding your note inside a calendar event. Google Calendar doesn't have a separate note type, so the description field of an event is where your notes live. It keeps everything in one place and is easy to find later. Start by opening your browser and heading to google.com. If you're not already signed in, sign in to your Google account so Calendar can load your schedules. In the top right corner, click the Google Apps grid, then open Google Calendar from the menu. A quick tip, bookmarking Calendar makes it much faster to return next time. Once you're in Google Calendar, look for the Create button, usually near the top left. Click Create to start a new entry. When the menu appears, choose Event. Event is the most common and flexible option for adding notes, and it gives you the full description area we want to use. At the top of the event window, add a clear title. For example, you could type Grocery List. A descriptive title helps you spot your note at a glance, especially when your calendar starts to fill up. Next, click into the description field. This is the heart of your note. You can type freely here, press enter to add line breaks, and keep ideas organized. Think of it as a mini notepad tied to a specific day. For our example, you might write sugar, cooking oil, meat, vegetables, and anything else you need. If you're listing items, put each one on a new line so it's easy to scan. You can also include quick context like brand preferences or quantities to save yourself time later. Take a moment to review what you wrote so it's clear and complete. When it looks good, click Save. That's it. Your note is now stored with that event on your calendar. Whenever you need it, just open the event to view or update the description. It's great for shopping lists, meeting talking points, packing checklists, or reminders you want attached to a specific date. To recap, you opened Google Calendar, clicked Create, chose Event, added a helpful title, typed your notes in the description box, and clicked Save. Keeping your notes in events means they're easy to find, sync across your devices, and stay connected to the day you care about. Avoid putting sensitive information in shared calendars and you'll be all set. Thanks for watching and enjoy keeping your notes tidy and accessible with Google Calendar.